Alright, let's solve this equation together. It says root of x over x is equal to 2. Okay, how do we solve this? First step to take care is to square both sides. And why are we doing this? We want to eliminate this square root side. Okay, so we have this side to the power of 2 and this side to the power of 2. Root of x squared is x over x squared is x squared is equal to 2 squared is 4. Alright, now we multiply both sides by x squared. X squared times this side will give me x to be equal to x squared times 4 is 4x squared. Okay, so from here we have 4x squared minus x is equal to 0. Okay, now what does this shows? This shows that if we factor out x, okay, we have 4x minus 1 to be equal to 0. Hence, x is either equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to 1 over 4. Alright, so these are the two answers for x. Thanks for watching.